External linking means to link with another web document, another web page, and this is the example of we create the link with 10th class.html, 10th alpha.html. These all are the example of your external linking. For example, now we want to create link with a website, link with a website. For example, here we open uh, Patania school, our school website, and then you can copy. This is your URL, this is your URL address, uniform resource locator. You can copy this address from the address bar, and you can copy it here, and then you can open in Notepad, and you can create a hyperlink here. A name of the tag, then href hyper reference, uh, attribute of the a tag is equal to inverted comma start, and you can paste here the link of the website, inverted comma close, and then angular bracket close, and then write down the hypertext. For example, we write down Patania public school. Okay, then you can close the a tag here. So now you can save it and open your file here, and you can refresh here. So you can see one is our next. We can give the br tag with these two uh, hyperlink. So we see the differences clearly here. Okay, now this is the first one hyperlink next, and this is the second Patania public school with your website link. So you can see here this link shown on only the same tab, with the same tab. Only one tab is here, hyperlink. If you want to open your hyperlinked file in another tab, then you can use the other attribute of your a tag, and the name of the attribute is target attribute. First you can see the output of this only. You can, when you can click on next, you can see here your file will be opened in the same tab, and when you click on back, you can back in your file. When you can click on next hyperlink, then your website will be opened here. And now for example, we want our hyperlink will be opened in another tab, like we can open here. So we want here our hyperlinked document will be opened. So what you can do here, again you can open your notepad, and we remove this link here, so we see the result clearly. Yes, here you can write here, give one space first, and then write down target, target. Target, name of the attribute is target is equal to inverted comma start, then underscore, this is your underscore, and then write down blank, and then inverted comma close. Listen everyone, attention here. This is the name of your attribute target, and the value is always underscore, then write down the blank. So your linked document, linked website, linked web page will be opened in new or other tab. Okay, when a hyperlink is clicked on a web page, the link document open in the some browser window, which means that the web page having the link on it is replaced by the linked web page, and both pages are not visible at that time. You can see here both pages are not display here, not visible at one time. So if you want to open the link document in a separate window, you can make use of target attribute. Target is equal to, and the value, this value is fixed, always the value is underscore blank. Then you can save it again, you can open your browser, refresh here, and now you can click on this link. Next you can see here this one, you can see here your file will be opened in another tab here. Clear everyone? So this is your target attribute of a tag. One more attribute here is your title. The name of the attribute is title, and title is used to display your text as a tooltip. As a tooltip, when the mouse pointer is moved over the link, your text, your title will be displayed. How? You can write down here title attribute, then is equal to, and then you can write down the title. For example, title is, we write down simple, the thirsty crow link. Okay, you can save it. Again open your first file here. You can refresh here with some error is there, inverted comma are missing. You can again put inverted comma, again save it, and again you can come in your browser and refresh here. Now you can see here, when your mouse will be moved on the next, you are on, then a message, a tooltip will be displayed here. This one, the first, the thirsty crow link. So when you click on it, you can see here your web page, your linked page, your linked file will be displayed in another tab. So here now three tabs are there. One is our file, next is linked file, next again linked file. Why? Because we create the attribute here target, and new tab will be displayed. Okay, so you can close these all. When again you can see here, when you can click here, you can see the next tab will be displayed on the browser. So here this is your external hyperlinking. Okay, two types of links are there. One is your internal link, second is your external link. In external link, we're talking about the attributes of external linking. Three attributes are there. One is your href attribute. We write here one attribute of the name of the tag is a, and the attribute name is href. Second name is target attribute to display the text in the other tab, and the title always display the text as a tooltip. When your mouse will be moved on the hypertext, your title will be displayed as a tooltip. Okay, and one more, we learn here three attributes of body tag. These are the attributes of your body tag. One is your link. The by default link color is blue. The by default link color is blue. And the second is your v-link, visited link, and by default visited link color is purple. And third one is your a link. This is called active link, and by default active link is red color. You can see here, this is your visited link, this is in purple color. When you can click, when you click, this is in active link is your red, and your link only shown on your first time when you linked it, this will display in blue color. So these are these three, these link, a link, v link, these three, you can see here clearly, these three links are the body tag, attribute of the body tag, but work with the a tag, attribute of the body tag but work with the a tag, and these three are the attributes of your a tag and work with the a tag. So this is the hyperlink, external hyperlink with their attributes. In next class we'll learn about the next linking. Thank you so much everyone.